Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.Hello,
大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo.
Hello, 大家好，我係 Josephine. And let's have Leo introduce another idiom in Hakka for us. These are always fun and it gives you a lot of insights and it makes you sound very educated. 其实我很喜欢谚语，因为呢，说起来呢会感觉非常非常的有知识这样子哈。所以这个月我们都在讲这个跟房子啊有关啊，对不对？哈，生活建筑物啊等等之类，有没有什么谚语是跟这个有关的？
我想想看
应该不容易吧？
有啦，也是有啦，
还是有是 OK。
客家人什么都嘛有。
Idioms that are related to architecture or structure of a building because that is the theme of this month.
我问你，假如我们现在要说品评的坏话，
我们的 producer 的坏话，
对，
我们最好到另外一个房间，
是还要把门关起来，对不对？
对。
客家就有一句这样讲，叫做“讲话莫关后面门”，讲话没有关后面的门。这样会被人家偷听到啊！对。
Okay. So this line actually means that there are ears on the other side of the wall. So you have to close the back door when you're talking about something. You know, 应该是要把后门关好就对了。
对，
这句话怎么说？
讲话莫关后面门。
讲话莫关后面门。后面门就是
后面的门。
后面的门。Okay. 后面门 that's the back door. 讲话没有关。后面的门就糟糕了，
对，就会被偷听到。
Okay. So again, the whole line literally means when you talk, if you don't close the back door, someone's going to hear it. Describing those who don't talk carefully could attract a lot of trouble. 其实这是警惕大家，就是说，如果呢这个讲话呢不遮口一下的话，真的会很多麻烦。
讲话的时候要谨慎一点，要小心一点。
对，还是要想一下，经过大脑，然后不要乱这个口无遮拦。
对，不要乱讲话。
So let's hear the English explanation one more time about this idiom.
There's a Hakka saying that reminds us to speak behind closed doors. It's very similar to the popular expression, even the walls have ears. The point is to always err on the side of caution and to watch what you say because you never know who's listening.
And let's have Leo repeat it again. 我们再蕊一次这句话怎么说？
讲话莫关后面门。
讲话莫关后面門。Okay, there you go. That means, again, be very careful when you talk about others. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.